Can your breathing fix back pain? Back pain is one of the most common health complaints in the world, affecting millions of people every year. While most people associate relief with stretching, posture correction, or medication, there's a less obvious but incredibly powerful tool that is often overlooked: your breath. Yes, your breathing patterns may be contributing to your back pain, and learning how to breathe properly could help reduce or even eliminate it. To understand how breathing affects back pain, it helps to know a little about the mechanics of the body. The diaphragm is the primary muscle used in breathing, and it sits just below your lungs. But it's not just a breathing muscle, it also plays a crucial role in core stability. When you take a deep, diaphragmatic breath, the diaphragm moves downward, creating intra-abdominal pressure. This pressure helps stabilize the spine and supports the muscles of the lower back. However, many people have poor breathing habits, often breathing shallowly into the chest instead of deeply into the belly. This shallow breathing, also known as apical breathing, can lead to poor core activation and increased tension in the neck, shoulders, and lower back. Over time, this imbalance places unnecessary stress on the spine and surrounding muscles, contributing to chronic back pain. Improper breathing can also lead to poor posture. When you're not breathing deeply, your body tends to slouch, and slouching puts additional strain on your lumbar spine. Conversely, proper breathing encourages you to sit or stand more upright, supporting the natural curves of the spine and reducing stress on the back. Research has shown that integrating breathing exercises into your daily routine can improve core strength, enhance posture, and reduce back pain. Techniques such as diaphragmatic breathing, box breathing, and yoga-inspired breath work not only help reduce physical pain, but also decrease stress levels, a common contributor to muscle tension and back discomfort. Incorporating mindful breathing can also activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and healing. Chronic back pain often comes with a component of nervous system dysfunction. Your body may stay in a state of constant stress, fight or flight mode, preventing full recovery. Deep, conscious breathing can reverse this effect and support your body's ability to heal itself. So, can your breathing fix back pain? It may not be a standalone cure for every case, especially in situations involving structural damage or injury, but it can be a powerful part of your pain management strategy. By learning to breathe properly, you engage your core, improve posture, reduce muscular tension, and calm your nervous system, all of which contribute to a healthier, pain-free back. Before starting any new practice, especially if you have chronic or severe back pain, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional. But don't underestimate the power of your like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.